Hello, my name is Tomas, and I was assigned to build and research the AEG turbine factory in Berlin, Germany, which was designed by Peter Behrens. This building was built in 1909 and completed in 1910. The building has a rectangular floor plan and is a rectangular structure constructed using a simple yet innovative geometric form and exterior aesthetics. The size of the steel frame structure is about 122 meters by 40 meters wide and 26 meters tall. My version of the turbine factory only consists of the main assembly hall, the scale that I built for this model is 1 model foot equals 100 feet. So the length of this model is about 4 feet wide. The main structure you see here is the most significant. It was used as an assembly hall that consisted of 2 large cranes. They had the capability of lifting 100 tons installed at a height of clearance for the largest turbine parts over machines on the assembly floor. And it was also important that a freight train could enter the work area, as you see from the back. The workspace inside is lit by natural light because of the glass curtain walls on the exterior sides of the building and a glass ceiling above the assembly hall. Next, I'd like to speak about the function. The building was designed to be used as a factory for heavy machinery and to generally house productions of steam turbines or generators. The workspace inside is lit by natural light because of the glass curtain walls on the exterior sides of the building and a glass ceiling above the assembly hall. Next, I'd like to speak about is the function of the building. The building was designed to be used as a factory for heavy machinery and to generally house the production of steam turbines or generators. This model is mainly constructed of pine and insulation, which is painted for the concrete facade. These are the paints that I used for my model. This spray paint, which I used for the windows and steel structure, and this pint of Dutch boy that I used for the concrete facade. The actual AEG turbine factories, glass curtain walls and ceilings were ahead of their time. An aesthetically pleasing stone gray concrete facade, which also provides mass for the factory, and a gray-green steel structural skeleton. The AEG factory showed a glimpse of the modern architecture that we see today for commercial and residential construction. The AEG factory, designed by Peter Behrens, is referred to as a temple of New Age production because it established guidelines for industrial workers and mass production of goods. The placement of the glass facades gave each individual worker sunlight and fresh air. Not only was the factory designed with modern age aesthetics uncommon to its era, it is built with such foresight that it's still in use a century later, serving the same purpose, which is producing generators. The turbine factory did not accurately reflect the spirit of the time and place for which it was built. It was created truly one of a kind. The factory was built in an era of unartistic architecture. Architecture was sought only to serve a purpose or practical uses of space, while Peter Behrens, the architect, combined his artistic mind and the help of his fellow engineers to create a masterful workspace for the workers and an eye-catching building for visitors. AEG, or simply General Electric Company in German, sought to attract and hold its workers through satisfaction of their supposed craving for art and personal needs. The German worker at the time wanted housing through powerful organization or strikes. To keep skilled workers, it was believed men who live in fresh air and well-ordered circumstances are more able to produce the high-quality work demanded of them. The AEG factory also symbolized techniques of mass production, despite the idea of mass-produced goods having a great connotation associated, and it was believed that handmade goods were considered higher quality. I'd like to finish this video by saying that I had a great time building this model, and the hardest part was actually constructing these windows right here.